Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Squats and Style, and today's video is about Purple.com's shopping haul. So recently Purple.com had a sale and they were giving really good discounts on their products. Let me tell you why I made this purchase. So first of all, they were having a sale, and secondly इनके पास बहुत अच्छा affordable collection है products का. कुछ ऐसे products which are within the budget are not available on Nykaa. So I thought कि why not give it a try. Let's experiment with products. Let's check out some new brands and let me show you what all things I purchased. So मेरे सारे products 2 दिन में deliver हो गए और वो भी सिर्फ एक ही box में. So let me open this box and tell you. So first of all, this is Stay Quirky. So I was very curious about Stay Quirky because a lot of my friends are using Stay Quirky products. They're using Stay Quirky nail paints and they're using their lip balm. So I thought why not give it a try. So let me just open this. And friends, buying foundation and compacts online is really very big pain. So I'm just showing you this liquid foundation. So guys, this is how it looks. It's too runny and too thin, so I don't think this will have a very good coverage, but definitely I can tell you the best reviews only after applying it on my face. So I'll do that in some other video later. So guys, the next product that I got is the NY based Skinfident Magical as Times Square Face Serum with Salicylic Acid. So the reason why I bought this serum is because this has salicylic acid, and salicylic acid is really helpful for your skin if you have acne prone skin and if you have small bumps on your face. This really helps you exfoliate the upper layer of the skin. So if I have to explain salicylic acid in simple words, I would say salicylic acid basically tears off the upper layer of the skin, exfoliates it, removes the dead skin cells and bacteria, and helps you have a better skin. So I would recommend using salicylic acid in your skincare routine at least weekly once if you're using a serum. So this is a small bottle and it has a separate dropper. So I'll open this later. And these kind of serums, you basically have to put the dropper inside and then just squeeze it in and then just put some drops on your face. Next one in the box is this Papaya Revitalizing Face Mask. This is by the brand Alps Goodness. It helps you get rid of blemishes, pigmentation, stans and any kind of irregularity on your face. So you can definitely go ahead and buy a papaya face mask for yourself if you want. They had a collection of other face masks as well, like aloe vera, rose and sandalwood, so you can just go ahead and check it on their website. The price of this one is 99 rupees and the discounted price I'll mention in the link below. So guys, next one is this Stay Quirky Like It Hot and Shiny Illuminator. And this one is number 5. It's called Get Lucky. So guys, the price of this product is 275 as per the MRP, and I'll mention the sale price for you. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. The packaging is so beautiful. It looks like a fountain pen, literally like the ink pens. So guys, I would have opened it through the nib, but it opens here just like a lip gloss. And this is a very beautiful pink highlighter. I love the packaging. It's so travel friendly. I can just put it in my bag and take it anywhere. So guys, the next product is also from NY Bay. This is the Long Island Deep Intense Kohl Eye Pencil. So let me swatch it for you. This is really nice and smooth. And the color is exactly as I expected. So these kind of pencils are really helpful for highlighting your inner corners. You basically don't need a brush, and if you want to highlight your eyebrow points, you can use these. And these are really affordable. The MRP of this product is just 85 rupees, and I think I also got a discount on the MRP. I'll mention it in the link. So I picked up 2 products. These are nail lacquers and these are from the brand NY Bay. Let me show you the texture of the nail polish. This has particles of black in red color. This is a sky blue nail paint again with blue glitter. So the next one is also by the brand NY Bay. This is Lipping on Broadway Lip Plumper. So the MRP of this product is 105. I really needed a lip plumper from a very long time because there's so much hype on the internet about lip plumpers, and lip plumpers are so expensive. So I thought, let me just try this one. So this is in the variant Melon Orange Lipping. So I love the smell of melon, that's the reason I picked this one. And it's like a lip balm basically. And doesn't have any color. Feels hydrating, feels like a lip butter. So let's see what's next in the box. And I don't think we are left with too many products now. Okay, this is again from NY Bay. This is Blinkin eyeshadow. And the price of this product is 125 rupees as per the MRP. It's a very small eyeshadow. This is very small, guys. It's very small. And let me just check the pigment. Guys, the pigment is really nice. The shade is Central Park 12. So let's check what's next in the box. So the next one, I think this is the only product which is not from NY Bay. So this is from the brand Wet n Wild, and this is Give Me Mocha. And I have heard a lot about this product from different bloggers that this is one of the best nude shade for Indian skin tone. So I thought I really need to get my hands on this one. So guys, this is a beautiful color, beautiful brown nude, and I really love it, and I'm really excited to use it on my lips. So guys, I really love this product and I like the consistency and the color, and I'm definitely gonna try it on my lips and see how it looks.
So guys, I also received a free product on my purchase, which is this ultralight Indian sunscreen by Mamaearth, and this one has SPF 50 in it, which is really good for Indian weather. And this one also has carrot seed and turmeric, which are really beneficial for skin. And the packaging is also very interesting. The cartons basically describe the benefits of the ingredients in your products, which I have never seen with any other brand. So yeah, that's quite interesting to read.
So guys, let me tell you about some pros and cons of shopping with Purplle.com and few things that you should remember before shopping from Purplle.com. So there are a lot of varieties and a lot of options available, but then you should not be experimenting with low quality products on your face, on your skin. And out of these products, the liquid foundation is the only thing which I am experimenting with, and probably I'll do a skin test before applying it on my face. And because my skin is acne prone, and it might lead to more acne if I use any low quality product. The next thing that I would like to tell you is that the shipping was really smooth. My products got delivered within 2 days. Nykaa is taking way longer these days to ship your products. And the next thing that I want to tell you is all my products were delivered in one single box, but these days Nykaa is delivering its orders in batches, and I don't like my products getting delivered in batches. And the next thing that I loved about Purplle is that the products are really affordable, really cheap, and especially nail paints are really affordable. NY Bay has really affordable nail paints. They have huge discounts on brands as well, especially this Wet n Wild lipstick was way cheaper than the MRP. Another thing that I wanted to tell you was Alps Goodness also has a facial kit which is really affordable. I think their prices starts from 104 rupees, and it's a one-time use kit, but then definitely you can buy those and do your facial at home. So guys, these were the products that I shopped from Purplle.com's shopping sale, and if you would like me to review any of these products separately, I would definitely do that. And if you guys have any suggestions, feedbacks for me, do let me know in the comments. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.